Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to show two column layout in mobile mode in container in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our container layout. So we are using two container in one row. Now you see. So we are going to display two column layout in mobile. Now on bottom you see responsive mode, so click on it, and then you see desktop, tablet, mobile portrait, so click on mobile. So this is our mobile layout. Now scroll down, you see container, and then you see edit container, so click on it. Now you see content width, full width, and then you see width, so you can set according to requirement. Now you see px, now select, and then select percentage. Now you can set according to requirement. Now make it 50 like this. Now you see padding. Go to advanced. If you want, you can remove padding. Now uncheck. Now you see padding remove. Then again click on edit container. So click on it. And then you see content width, full width. And then you see width. Now select percentage. Now make it 50. Now you see 50. And then you see padding. Go to advanced. Now unchecked. Now click on it. Now you see padding remove, but you don't see any gap between two containers. So you can add some padding like 5. Then click on edit container again. So we are in advanced setting. Now click again. Now make it 5. Now you see again you see edit container. So click on it. Go to advanced. Now you see some gap. Now you see padding. Again click on it. Now 0. Now you see padding remove from container, and then click on update. So in this way you can show two column layout in container in mobile. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.